As a small faceless channel, if you're trying to go viral, optimize your videos for SEO, and look for tricks to beat the algorithm, this is why you won't get views. In 2023, taking this path is the easiest way to kill your YouTube automation channel. At least, it will clearly slow down your growth. First outdated tip: make only SEO content. While optimizing your title and description to get found through the search engine is useful when you are a small channel, the 2023 YouTube algorithm will consider new metrics to push faceless videos. In fact, when you try to use short or long tail keywords to write your title, the result is not as appealing as it should be to the viewer. We're not saying that you shouldn't use keywords, but you should put more effort into coming up with a title written for humans rather than the algorithm. That's how you increase your click-through rate by making people click on your video. So, in 2023, you need to focus more on the user experience when it comes to the thumbnail and the title, and a little bit less on SEO. The second thing you should forget about this year is doubting the power of shorts. Yes, 2022 was the year of would shorts push or hurt my channel? And it was definitely a big question in our channel. However, at the end of the previous year, most YouTubers and YouTube experts agreed that if you want to grow your channel, you can't bypass shorts. So, if you want to succeed in 2023, you need to stop doubting the power of shorts and the potential of this relatively new format to grow your audience. However, the real question is, should we integrate shorts in the main channel or create a separate channel entirely dedicated to them? After long research, we found that putting both long videos and shorts on the same faceless channel is definitely better. YouTube has now managed to improve the structure of its channels by making a dedicated section for shorts. So the result is neat, and the channel is easy to browse from a laptop and a mobile device. That's why you, YouTuber, from now on, will start doing shorts with the confidence that this format is the new path to reach a larger audience and bring viewers to your longer videos. Number 3, the classic intro. More than any previous time, the intro is 2023 a big waste of time when it comes to your retention rate. As you know, the number of viewers decreases significantly after 5 to 10 seconds. So, if you don't want to lose your viewer's attention after convincing him to click on your video, using the power of your title and thumbnail, forget about the boring intro. And here, we're talking about the jingle version of intros and presenting your channel and asking people to subscribe from the beginning. And this is what to do instead. Work on your hook. The first seconds of a faceless video are so valuable that we can't afford to lose them in superficial intros. This is when you should trigger the viewer's curiosity, announce what's coming up, and deliver meaningful information. Treat this part carefully, with an appealing editing style. For instance, you can use pop-ups and sound effects if appropriate. Another outdated YouTube automation tip in 2023, focusing on viral videos. Well, we're not saying that you shouldn't seek to go viral. In fact, for a small channel, it's a good thing to get discovered almost overnight. The problem with viral videos is that the audience you reach won't be loyal to your faceless channel. At least, you're going to lose a big percentage of them on the road. The best thing to do is create some videos that could go viral and others more likely to please a community that's going to stick for a longer time. So instead of trying to make the next YouTube buzz, focus on creating an engaged audience, even if they are a few. Well, if you put all those outdated tricks out of your way, you will increase your chances to stand out on the platform sooner than you thought. And since the YouTube algorithm is constantly changing, we'll keep an eye on any renewal, implement it in our channel, and make a video about it to help you save time and effort. So don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss any 2023 YouTube algorithm updates.